Hello, welcome back to Cloud Exam Ready. So let's continue our series. In this part, we are going to see question number 51 to question number 16. So let's continue. Question number 51. In AWS KMS, which type of KMS key is not visible within the KMS console or anywhere in your account? So we have option. Option A, customer managed KMS key. Option B, AWS managed KMS key. Option C, customer owned KMS key, and option D, AWS owned KMS key. So the correct answer here is option D, AWS owned KMS key. Question number 52. How do ELBs improve the reliability of your application? So it is asking like how the elastic load balancers improve the reliability of your application. So we have option A, by distributing traffic across multiple S3 bucket. Option B, by replicating data to multiple availability zone. Option C, by creating database read replicas. And option D, by ensuring that only healthy targets receive traffic. So if someone knows like what is elastic load balancer, he should know the answer. So the correct answer here is option D, by ensuring that only healthy targets receive traffic. Next, question number 53. A company needs to migrate their website from on-premises to AWS. Security is a major concern for them, so they need to host their website on hardware that is not shared with other AWS customers. Which of the following EC2 instance option meet this requirement? So we have option A, on-demand instances. Option B, spot instances. Option C, dedicated instances. And option D, reserved instances. So here the company is concerned about the security and they do not want to share hardware with the other customers. So in this case, the correct answer is option C, dedicated instances. Next, question number 54. A customer is planning to move billions of images and videos to be stored in Amazon S3. The customer has approximately 60 petabytes of data to move. Which of the following AWS services is the best choice to transfer the data to AWS? So customer has like 60 petabytes of data to move. So we need to select which one is the appropriate option. So we have option A, Snowball. Option B, S3 transfer acceleration. Option C, Snowmobile. And option D, Amazon VPC. So the correct answer here is option C, Snowmobile. Question number 55. A company plans to migrate a large amount of archived data to AWS. The archived data must be maintained for a period of 5 years and must be retrievable within 5 hours of request. What is the most cost-effective AWS storage service to use? Okay, so this question is asking that company plans to migrate large amount of archived data. So data is archived and they want to maintain this data for 5 years and the retrievable time is 5 hours of request, within 5 hours of the request. So the question clearly says like it is of S3. So we have two options for S3. Option A, Amazon S3 Glacier, and Amazon S3 Standard is option C. So if someone knows the S3, they must know this, the answer. So the correct answer here is option A, Amazon S3 Glacier. So this one is the most cost-effective storage for this case. Next, question number 56. Which support plan includes AWS support concierge service? So we have option A, premium support, option B, business support, option C, enterprise support, and option D, standard support. So I think we have seen this type of question before also. So you can just scroll back and check the question in the series. So the correct answer here is option C, enterprise support. Next, question number 57. Which of the following are the use cases for Amazon S3? So here we need to select two options. We have option A, hosting static websites, option B, hosting websites that require sustained high CPU utilization, option C, cost-effective database and log storage, option D, a media store for the CloudFront service, and option E, processing data streams at any scale. So the correct answer here is option A and option D. Option A, hosting static websites, and option D, a media store for the CloudFront service. Next, question number 58. A company has discovered that multiple S3 buckets were deleted, but it is unclear who deleted the buckets. Which of the following can the company use to determine the identity that deleted the buckets? So we have option A, SNS logs, option B, SQS logs, option C, CloudWatch logs, and option D, CloudTrail logs. So the correct answer here is option D, CloudTrail logs. Next, question number 59. What is the AWS compute service that executes code only when triggered by events? So it is asking for the compute service. So first we need to find out the compute service in the options. So we have option A, AWS Lambda, option B, Amazon CloudWatch, option C, AWS Transit Gateway, and option D, Amazon EC2. So we have two options for compute service, option A and option D, AWS Lambda and Amazon EC2. But they want to execute code only when the triggered by events. So the correct answer for this is option A, AWS Lambda. Next, question number 60. Which of the following can be used to protect data at rest on Amazon S3? So here we need to select two options. So we have option A, versioning, option B, deduplication, option C, permissions, option D, decryption, and option E, conversion. So the correct answer here is option A and option C. Option A is versioning and option C is permissions. Thank you. That's all for the video.